Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to CP Tech Guru, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and discussing a common issue that many users face: broken LCD replacement. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the Realme GT Master Edition. Whether you're looking to replace your screen or just curious about phone repair, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right into it. Before we talk about repairs, let's take a moment to appreciate the Realme GT Master Edition. Launched in 2021, this sleek and stylish smartphone packs a punch for its price. With its 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display, the visuals are stunning: vivid colors, deep contrasts, and smooth animations. Powered by the Snapdragon 778G processor, it offers lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming or multitasking. Plus, that 50-megapixel camera, it's perfect for snapping high-quality photos on the go. For all you out there looking for a powerful phone without breaking the bank, the GT Master Edition is definitely worth considering. But as with any device, it's not perfect. And one of the common issues you may run into is a broken LCD screen. Now, let's talk about the LCD replacement. While the Realme GT Master Edition is known for having a durable screen, no phone is completely immune to damage. Drops, bumps, or even everyday wear and tear can lead to issues with your screen. Let me list some common signs that might indicate your LCD needs replacing. Now, a lot of people out there might be tempted to try a DIY repair, but LCD replacement on the Realme GT Master Edition can be tricky. While there are tons of tutorials online, I recommend thinking twice before you do it yourself unless you're experienced. The screen assembly is delicate, and opening up the device without the right tools or knowledge can cause more damage. Remember, it's always a good idea to watch a few tutorials first or practice on an older device if you're going the DIY route. But if you're not confident, your best bet is taking it to a pro. If you've decided to leave it to the professionals, you need to be careful about where you take your phone. As I mentioned earlier, not all repair shops are created equal. So, how do you choose the right one? Whether you choose to DIY or take it to a professional, just make sure you're getting the job done right. Don't rush into repairs. Choose a repair shop you trust. Or if you're going the DIY route, take your time and follow tutorials closely. Before I wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you ever replaced a phone screen before? Did you go the DIY route, or did you leave it to the pros? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning into today's Tech Talk. If you found this information helpful, smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and repair guides. I've got more exciting content coming up, so stay tuned. Until next time, this is CP Tech Guru. Stay tech savvy.